Broadcast Jamaican now give the news in the Jamaican language.
Wagwan people, this is Kadeen Marshall and me give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. Favour Williams, or the Minister for Education, said 89.6% of the public school picnic them who take the CAPE exam them this year pass. The police reported them charged 30 men and 10 women from the Pathways International Kingdom Restoration Ministries in a Montego Bay St. James for go against the Disaster Risk Management Act. The Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF said them beg the people them in the Bath community and the other community them where they nearby to keep them picnic safe and close to them and not to make them picnic on away by themselves. The Chilani police lock up one 26 years old man for stab and kill him 76 years old grandmother. Make sure you follow our YouTube page Broadcast Jamaican for hear more news and like the video after you done listen. Now for the full tour of them. Favour Williams, or the Minister for Education, said 89.6% of the public school picnic them who take CAPE exam them this year pass. According to the Minister, the picnic them do better in a 5 subject area than last year. The subject them are accounting, animation and game design, chemistry, entrepreneurship and physical education and sport. On top of that, the minister said 85.8% of the 22,789 picnic who take the CSEC exam them this year pass with grade 1 to 3. The police reported them charged 30 men and 10 women from the Pathway International Kingdom Restoration Ministries in a Montego Bay St. James for go against the Disaster Risk Management Act. All of them still in a lockup with the pastor and one woman police officer. The police said them take away her gun from her and send it go for do some tests for find out if she did a bus shot off of them. The police said them still ask the people them who did there at the church some question for find out who for get charged for the 2 killing were gone as part of one ritual. The police did shot and kill Smaddy too. 3 Smaddy still in the hospital. The Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF said them beg the people them in the Bath community and the community them were nearby to keep them picnic them safe and close to them and not to make them picnic on away by themselves. The police said them still look for Davy and Brian, the man who them claims to take with 2 girls from the Bath community. Brian did take with 9 years old Felicia Prusha and 13 years old Winshay Barrett. Up to today, the police still not find Brian yet. The Chilani police lock up one 26 years old man for stab and kill him 76 years old grandmother. The dead woman a Violet Walcott who come from Allside district in Awaitabit, Chilani. According to the police report, around 11 p.m., people find Walcott who can't get up out her bed stabbed up and dead. Her 26 years old grandson who did take care of her get locked up. The police are going to ask him some question in front of him lawyer. The police reported them do an operation with some soldier and them find 2 guns in a oil content Yorktown Clarendon on Monday. 1 Smaddy get locked up. The police said them find one .45 pistol were having a magazine with 1 round and a shotgun with 1 live cartridge in the community. Sunday gone, the police said them find one Glock 9mm pistol with 2 .45mm round in a 1 door. Nobody na get locked up. Now for sports. Elaine Thompson-Hera tell everybody say she left the Bruce James MVP track club. Thompson says she know her fans and everybody are worried, but she start the training on her own and she soon make everybody know once she settle everything. Some reported come out couple weeks back said Thompson-Hera left Stephen Francis camp, but she did come out and say a lie. People, remember the curfew from 8 p.m. in the night to 5 in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Broadcast Jamaican just give the news in the Jamaican language.